You guys want a new twist on a different angle from where we usually are? Just finished putting together a table and thought you guys might enjoy watching the process. Alright, it's actually kind of boring. I just ran some screws out, put some screws in, and changed the tabletop because the old one broke and it was all bent up. Little hammer, a little bit of screw work, and we got her ready. She's actually right there. I'm looking at her right now. Let's get to it. Hey, while I'm thinking about it, so did you guys know that you can support me for not spending a cent by hitting the like button, subscribing, and sharing my videos? Doesn't cost you a cent. Helps the algorithm see me a whole lot more, and it's totally free for you. It just takes 3 clicks. Just wanted to throw that out there. Thanks. Bye. So I had a table break that I got from my late grandfather. And I want to try to fix it. These are shot, so we're just going to take it apart. All right. I got one screw I can't get to yet, so I might have to get a hand screwdriver to get that one. Left-handed is even harder. All right. So we're just going to get all these old screws out. Get everything opened up. Sorry if I'm off camera. All right, these are trash. I do have some new screws that I'm going to be putting on there. All right, now we got some short screws we're going to use for this. I could use longer ones than what I picked up, but I'm not planning on making anything too heavy duty on this. I just need an extra table. All right. So I'm not talking much on this one, folks, but there's not much to say. You're just running screws. If you have an old frame like this, you can always for a shop build, it don't need to be pretty. Just an old Harbor Freight folding table stand. He got me hooked on these. My grandfather actually got me hooked on this style of table. And we're going to be using this for the biggest single order of charcuterie boards I've ever gotten. I got a bunch of wood I got to process. And once I'm done processing everything, I'm going to be making a bunch of extra because I'm going to let the customer just go through, pick everything out, and whatever they don't want, I'm then going to put up for sale in shows in the future. I thought I had a hammer over here that I don't see. That's a file. Could have swore I had a hammer over here. Huh. All right, because what's happening is I have this up on my planer, so it's not the most secure working platform. But I need this to go down, and I think it's bent too far, so I just need a hammer to tap it down. But I'm really not seeing a hammer. That's crazy. Like the number one tool I use that I probably have 15 or 20 of them out here, and I can't find it. That's how it goes. I can never find something when I need it. That's an old shovel. Thought that was one of my ball peens. All right, well, I'm gonna go grab my mallet because I know right where that's at. It's over by the lathe. Which, by the way, that chair right there is where I sit, the table right there. Yeah, that's what's next to me when I run the lathe. Just a fun fact and to try to help you guys orientate to where you're at today, because I don't take you guys to too many different places in here, which I'm hoping after spring hits and I can reorganize out here, that might change. All right. We shall see if that fixed it, and even if it didn't, once I get some weight on there, it probably will fix itself. Here we go. And then I just need to tighten these up. Tighten that, tighten that. And for a quick, easy tabletop replacement, you can't get much simpler than this. Please excuse the mess, but it's not the most square tabletop installation I've ever done, but she works, she's solid, and quite frankly, what I really care about with it, it'll hold some wood. So I got a whole bunch more than that to add to it, and we're actually probably going to be filming all of the processing of the next batch. So I will bother you guys later. Cat in the hat and Dappy Dat.